Hi there. Today I'm going to create a circle with multiple circles around the circumference. Now this tutorial is for beginners, it's really basic, but quite often people think, well, how do I do this? And and the most simplest operations really, but let's go ahead and start. Okay, this is what I'm going to create. So first of all I'm going to go ahead and delete this and start from scratch. Okay, so what we're going to do first of all is create the larger circle, which you saw. Okay, and then away from the larger circle, we're going to create a smaller circle. Okay, so I'm just going to move that a bit closer. Now, what I want to do now is go to your artwork mode, or your preview mode. I beg your pardon, your artwork mode. So you can see the center points of each of the circles, and the way you do that is you click on Command and Y. Okay, and then we're going to go across to the rotation tool. I'm going to click the rotation tool, and on the center point you will see there's a center point. Now you want to take your mouse across to that and press Alt, and on your cursor you'll get the minus sign. Now when you click there, your dialog box will come up. Okay, so we're going to keep that there so we can see everything that's going on. Now we know that there's 360 degrees in a circle, so we type in 360 and now let's say for instance we want 20 circles, so we divide that 360 by 20, and then we preview that first of all, and you can see that the circle's moving around, but then you want to copy it. Okay, now to duplicate that operation so you'll get the next circle is that you press Command and D, and you keep on pressing Command and D until you come to the last circle. Now you go Command and Y, and there you have your circle with multiple circles around it. Well, thanks for watching. I'll be doing some more tutorials, very simple ones, because there's a lot of complex ones on here. So this is just purely for beginners. Thanks very much for watching.